Alright you guys, today we're taking a look at the TORRAS Stand case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, they come in a bunch of different colors. In this video, I have the blue and the orange case. And boom, there's a look at our blue clear case. Now it is a nice frosted, like smoky finish on the blue. The orange is more of a regular crystal clear. Also, in the box, you get a little quick start guide showing you how to install the case and remove the case, as well as a QR code for videos. We're just going to take our 17 Pro Max and we're going to pop it in the case. And boom, we're in. As you see, this is what my orange 17 Pro Max looks like in the blue TORRAS case. Now, what makes this case so special is that MagSafe kickstand built in. We can rotate it full 360 and use it to stand our phone up either vertically for like filming a TikTok or something and using it as a tripod, or we can stand it up horizontally for watching videos or playing games. Now, as you see, we have some nice raised protection for our camera lump, and we have very clicky buttons. There's a look at the power button, very clicky, and we have a fully covered and fully functional camera control button, offering full protection for that camera control button. We have cutouts for our speakers, as well as a large cutout for a Type-C port, as well as a lanyard loop cutout, and on the other side we have our volume buttons and our action button. Also, this case does not interfere with screen protectors. So if you have a screen protector on your phone, the case will not bubble up your screen protector. You'll be perfectly good to go. And there's a look at that full 360 TORRAS stand that they're basically known for bringing to the table with phone cases. So as you see, we're propping our phone up horizontally for watching videos or playing games. And there's a look at the phone being held up vertically as well. Like I said, you can use this for things like using it as a tripod for filming a TikTok or a YouTube short, or you can use it when you're watching YouTube videos, playing games, or whatever you want to do on your phone, hands-free. And the MagSafe functionality of it does still function, obviously. So you can fully collapse the stand, and you can still charge via MagSafe. As far as how I'm using this case on a daily basis, well, as you can see here, I use it a lot to watch YouTube videos with that built-in stand. And I also do love that you can still get the MagSafe charging out of that stand, even though it is full 360, any angle you want, pretty much adjustable. And I also use it when I'm playing games such as Resident Evil Village, as you see here. So yeah, I mean, this case is great. I've used a bunch of cases over the years for my iPhones, but none have offered the same level of functionality out of a simple ring of magnets as the TORRAS case does for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. That stand is just invaluable. And you can also use the stand as kind of like a MagSafe grip. You just slip your fingers through and it makes it way easier to hold your phone. That was my review of the TORRAS case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max.